Hey guys, good morning, and we are back at it again for another live drift exhaust sound reveal. And today we're gonna be doing a live sound reveal on this Kawasaki Z900. For the most part, we have done already a lot on this bike, but this is gonna be a different take on the exhaust design for this bike. All right. So medyo maulan sa labas ngayon, but nevertheless, we are still proceeding with the live exhaust sound reveal. And for those living down north, sana you guys are safe. I know parang kahapon ang daming mga feedback sa akin na may mga typhoon and stuff like that, but I hope you guys are doing great. All right, so we will start with the live exhaust sound reveal, and also later we're gonna do a live DB test, so that you guys know if what we're doing is actually street legal in terms of the decibel level. All right, so that being said, we're gonna give a shout out to Alvin Macalang, Ice Scoopy, Rex Concepcion, Alvin Macalang, ayun, sabi ko na, Jerboy Lozada, Martian Paul Alegria, Sam Sim, shout out to you. Kay Irej Onalera, siguro baliktad yun, ano? Kay Raul Castriciones, kay Angelo Torres, all the way from Nueva Ecija, good morning. Kay, so yan, ang dami nang nanonood. Kay Dan Montero, shout out to you. And kay C. Justin, yan. So, while I give a shout out, I'm gonna do a walk around of this bike, okay? Kay Vir Lazaro, shout out to you. Kay Victor Fabia, shout out to you. Kay Francis Chris A. Rimalos, shout out to you. So just take a look at this bike. Ruel Francisco, shout out to you. This is one of the best-selling bikes out there right now, and it's really because the bang for buck you're gonna get from this bike. So what I'm trying to say is that this bike would cost you around I think more than just 500,000, but you're getting 4 cylinders, you're getting I think 950 cubic centimeter in displacement, and you're getting a lot out of the 500 plus, and that's why medyo marami siyang binabangga this bike. But that just gets the bike industry more exciting, because I know next year even the Hondas are gonna be adjusting their prices, so it's gonna be there's gonna be more competition, which is good for the consumers. So yan. Kay Rammer Magdaluyo Carillo, shout out to you. Kay Ritz Bien Coronel, kay Kelvin ko pa-shout out. Pa-shout out daw po kay Simran na naka GSX-S. So yung 2022 GSX 1000cc, we're doing it right now, so hopefully by next week we're gonna do a live sound reveal on that. Ang daming nang nag-aantay doon. But if you're gonna check out our post, sobrang daming nakapila, but we're doing it one bike at a time, so para quality pa rin, hindi natin minamadali. Stanley Laborse, shout out to you. Kay Nestor Sarmiento, shout out to you. Kay James Carlo Tubes, shout out sa'yo. So yan, sino pa ba gusto magpa-shout out? Kay Martin ko, hi, I'm watching, thank you. I think Martin is the owner, right? Si Martin. Oh, yun, si Martin. So kasama natin yung anak ni Martin, who is also a vlogger, and I'm gonna introduce him in a bit to you guys. Kay Stanley Laborse, shout out from Montreal, Quebec, Canada. Wow, abot tayong Canada, grabe. It's really because of the technology. Kay Gemelo Kent, good morning. Magkano kaya abutin pa full system ng Dominar 400? The basic package would be 25,000 for the full exhaust system. Waiting pa sa unit ng Z900, haba ng pila, sabi ni Angelo Torres. Ayun sabi sa inyo haba talaga ng pila This bike is selling like hotcake. Kay John Miel de Guignon, kay Anteng Ramos, shoutout sa inyo. Paul Vincent Parajas, shoutout sa inyo. Kay John Mel, kay Rapi Teleron, shoutout sa inyo. Kay Martian, Paul Alegria, next year boss, ikaw na bahala sa Z900 ko. Ayun no. Ito si Owa, all the way from Cabanatuan City. They were the ones who were here yesterday for the live sound reveal of their CB650. Napakabago pa, 24 kilometers lang. And I think this bike is also new. Tingnan nga natin ilang kilometers na to. Ayan. Bagong-bago pa din. 88 kilometers lang. So, may mga guhit pa siguro to sa gulong eh. Ayan, may mga guhit pa nga sa gulong to. So, bagong-bago pa guys. Anyways, we are gonna start with the walk around. And like what I've said earlier, we have installed the full exhaust system on this bike. Just look at the headers, right? And just look at the resonator we have installed here. Tapos, yung carbon fiber tip natin, this time we've used a glossy finished. Yan, ang ganda, diba? Glossy finished. Alright. So, ganyan ang itsura niya, guys. Kay De Los Santos Kid, shout out all the way from Mandaluyong City. Yan. Alright, simulan na natin. Tawagin na natin yung mga may-ari. Halika dito, brother. Yeah, ito.
Hey, what's up?
But before that, we wanna say a shout out to Martin, who is the dad. But can you introduce yourself, brother?
Hi, I'm Tim.
Hi, Tim.
And I'm also a motovlogger.
Yeah.
My channel is Canin Rider PH.
Canin Rider PH. Yeah. As in canin talaga, no?
Yes, Canin.
Ayun, ayos yan. So, I hope you guys would follow him as well. Ang dami ng motovloggers, but at the same time, you know, we want to encourage these people to be responsible in their broadcasting, ika nga. But magaganda yung post ni Tim. So you follow him as well. Nevertheless, what is your initial reaction sa ginawa nating sa itsura ng exhaust mo, brother?
Sobrang ganda. I mean, of course, expected naman from Drift Exhaust. No? Pero nung nakita ko siya, talagang sobrang ganda niya.
Alright. Thank you so much. And so siguro wala nang patumpit-tumpit pa. We started na. Cold start na tayo, brother.
Yes.
Alright. So we're gonna start the bike already. This is gonna be cold start. Measure the decibel level pagka cold start, guys, ha. Check natin gaano kalakas to. Yan, bumababa na siya. Pero earlier, we saw 72 decibels. Right now, nagiging 65 na, 66. Yan, patuloy siyang bumababa, guys. So basically, when you do a cold start, your neighbor is gonna wake up to around 72 decibels. So, and then slowly, she's going down mga 62. Bababa pa to guys. Kasi yan na, bababa na. So basically from what I can see, the idle is around 59 decibels guys. 58, 59. So when I talk, syempre tumataas yung decibel meter, no? Kasi dagdag sound eh. Yeah, so basically nasa 58 yung idle niya ngayon. Pero when we started her up, baka nasa 72 decibels yung idle niya kanina. So, yun yung loudness. Later, we're gonna rev her na tingnan natin kung gaano kataas, ano? Actually, we're gonna do it now. So, brother, rev mo na. Can you maintain it on 3,000 RPM muna, no? Let's maintain it on 3,000 RPM because this is how the enforcers will test your bike. Kung papasa siya, and the requirement is not exceeding 115. Alright, so nakita nyo guys, kanina, I think mga nasa 77, 78, yung 3,000 RPM na. Meaning, in terms of following the guidelines, this bike passed in terms of following the guidelines, no? But this time, we want to know how loud this bike can go pag nire-rev natin ng pinakamataas na. Alright. So far nakita natin 83, no? 83 sa decibel meter. The other day yung ZX10R pumalo siya ng 85. So pasado pa rin, but let's enjoy the sound right now. Happy New Year na sa inyo. Ididikit ko guys, ididikit ko yung ano ngayon, yung decibel meter. Tingnan natin kung hanggang saan siya. Wait lang. Sige, ako dito. Yan. Alright. Alright. Okay, so wow, that's another live sound exhaust reveal on a Z900. Brother, anong masasabi mo?
Grabe! Happy New Year na agad!
Happy New Year na agad. Pero ang kagandahan doon, kahit malakas siya, with our tester, pasado ka pa rin, brother.
Oo.
Sa mga rules and regulations that our Philippine government has set forth. So, that's how we do it. We make sure that you enjoy the sound, but at the same time, we're following the rules and restrictions. Having said that, meron ka bang gustong batiin, brother?
Gusto ko lang mag-shoutout sa Motovloggers Alliance Philippines.
Ayan.
Shoutout
Tsaka sa mga Z900, di ba,
Yes.
na group.
Yes, sa
Brother,
Z900
halika dito.
Club.
Ito, isama na natin. Ito kasama ni Tim eh. What's
Kevin, tsaka to, what do you call this, HPG and Canin Squad. Hello.
you know? Alright, HPG and Canning Squad. You're a member of HPG?
Yeah, one of the writers.
Oh, you know. So, that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you up again soon. Ang daming nakapila, guys. Ang dami tayong nakapilang project. So, stay tuned lang. God bless and bye.